Okay, back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I use this design, this one, this one to create this. I don't know what I'm going to use this design for, but I just want to show you how I created it. And if it's something you would like to see, stay tuned. Okay, I started with this one, right? Let me go here. I went on Canva, typed in t-shirt. Now Canva have so many designs you can choose from to create your own, like to make it into your own style. Do not use the design that's already done. That's how you get sued. So let's go to, so I went to searching, looking. Alright, so let's go to this. Click on here. And I searched what I was searching for. I just typed in t-shirt. Right, so when I typed in t-shirt, all of these designs came up. Like when you type in t-shirt and you click on here, it's automatically gonna show the t-shirts design. And that's how I came and found this design, right? Started looking for more, found this one. I'm showing you how you could repurpose already made designs and make them into your own instead of trying to create a whole new one. Because some people not design savvy, and it might look okay, but it might look off. But this is the easiest way to do it. Just take 3 or 4 designs and just mix it up. So let me show you how I did it. I started with this one. I deleted all of this. Just click on it and press delete. Click on it, delete. Okay, now if you can't get back here, just go to position and go to layers. And when you click on layers, you will see all of the layers. And just right click, delete. I deleted this one and this one. So now I just had this. And I brought this one down so it could be under the words, right? And I searched for another design, right? And I found this one. Let's search for something. Let's see. So whatever style you're looking for, just search for the similar style to the one you're trying to create. Like, so let's go. Hold up, show you. So I found this one and I said, okay, I like the back. I didn't like this, so I didn't use it. But I like this. So I copy. If you want to center it, just go back to arrange and hit center. But it's already centered. But I press Control and C, right? Control and C. And it's gonna bring it like that. Right? And I was like, something's missing. Something's missing. Started searching again for more designs, like the angel. Just clicking through, right? And I found this one. I hope I can find it somewhere in here. But I found this one. I said, oh, I like the angel. I didn't like any of this, so I think I just deleted it. But I liked it, the angel. And I pressed Control C, and copy. Right, and brought it down some. Or you could just press right click, Control, right click, paste. You see? But I wanted up. I was like, oh, I like that. Started searching for something else, and I found this design right here. Like, okay, I like this. So I copy all of this. Hold shift while you click on all of the elements. Control and C. Control V. Oh, hold on, let's go back. I forgot to get the text. Hold shift and just click. Let's see, I got no get the text. Got it now. Alright, and you can press group and press control, hold control, and press C. And I was like, okay, it's too big. Right, I shrunk it down. And I it's sideways, so I tried to get it to look straight, and I brought it down. Right. See, let's delete this. So I'm showing you the steps. I brought it down, right? I was like, oh, that's cool, that's nice. Then I was like, I copy all of this. Click, hold shift, and click. Hold shift while you clicking everything, so you could group it all. And I was like, man, this needs to be in the middle. So I put it in the middle, and I wanted to hide this bottom part, right? So I just went over it. Now, as you can see, it's starting to look similar. And I was like, let's ungroup it. If you group it, just click on it and press ungroup. But you should just take what I'm doing and create your own style. And the text was too dark. I mean, everything was too light. So I wanted to make it the same as the text in the back. Right, so let's get to let's change this color. Changed everything from the light red to the dark red. Now, if you can't get the text and you're touching all the elements, just go to position, click on layers, and these are all your layers. So I was like, oh, okay, I need to make this bigger, and I want it to be stretched out, right? I didn't want it to be up and down on top of each other, so I wanted it to be stretched out. Then I changed the text to blood money, right? Shrunk it down, hold shift and hold alt, and just that's how you're gonna do it. And I put this over the top, and I highlighted all of this, and I just brought it down some. It's starting to look similar to this. Probably not the same height, but And I just changed the text in Money We Trust. If you don't have a saying or something, just go to ChatGPT and create something original. Or if you do have something, just add it. So copy and paste. It's like in Money We Trust. Shrunk it down. Brought this down some. And I was like, what I could put right here. Google some things, and laws of attraction came about, right? I was like, what we doing? I was like, laws of attraction for us money. And I changed 2019 to 24. Highlighted everything. Right down. Now, as you can see, I repurposed the design using all of those elements. Well, I traded over. I designed over the first one. My bad. But as you can see, I just took elements from each one and made it into my own. And that's what you're supposed to do. Don't just click on this and go here and then put it on a t-shirt and try to sell it, or try to put it on a hat or a beanie and trying to sell it. That's the fastest way to get sued for copyright. But like here, you can take this design. Let's see. I don't know if this will go with it. Nah, don't have it. Let's try something else. It's gonna be quick with it. Okay, let's try something. Like here. Don't just use this one. Add this on something. Let's see. Nah, I don't like this because we got something. Let's see. Just, shrinking the corner. Try this right here. I'm just designing it. There's no thought, nothing to it. I'm just, just trying to create something that look cool on a t-shirt, a hat, a jacket. Let's get back to this. You could go here and just flip it. Now let's try it. Look at it. I like these words. Make today epic. Right now, you see how I repurposed this whole design just by using all of those elements. Let's highlight everything, group it.